Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I am tackling our command center. It kind of houses a little variety of stuff, so it has a lot of my desk and office supplies, it has coffee bar supplies, a lot of extra tech lives in here, so I just wanted to kind of go through it, sort through what I needed, what I don't need, and just get a little bit more tidy in this area. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching. When we first came to see this house, I loved this area and I automatically claimed it for my own because I knew Chris had a dedicated office in the house, with the actual room. So I wanted this to house all of my stuff because honestly, I have a little bit more stuff than he does. So if you are looking to redo a space with cabinetry, built-ins like this, I highly recommend these pull-out shelves and drawers because it makes life so much easier. You can hide all of your computer cords, your charging stations, router. Everything is just hidden in this cabinet, and it is such a lifesaver. That way nothing, I just put my computer away when I'm finished using it. It's just the most handy thing I could ever think of. So I'm highly suggest these pull-out drawers. So as I'm watching this back, I'm realizing I probably don't need to hold on to these cordless phones. We don't have a landline anymore. I'm not sure if that's just an antiquated thing to have, but I just feel like for some reason I wanted to hold on to them, but honestly I'll probably end up donating them. Just like I'll probably end up donating these discs that, do you remember when we saved things to discs like this? Anyway, I just feel like I'm such a tech nerd and I like to hold on to old technology for some reason. Is anybody else like that? So I was kind of over the little spindle, what do you call it, little carousel of coffee. So I just ended up adding them all to a giant bowl. That way people can just look through what they want to have. I just felt like I was spending more time filling that stupid thing up instead of just dumping them all in one bin. So right now I'm just going through this bin of coffees. Some of them had expired, so I'm just sorting through that and then repurposing one of the baskets for the tech. And I believe I got those baskets from Five Below, if I'm not mistaken. I used to have them up in our loft in the other house and also in my office, so I decided just to reuse them here. just to house some more stuff. So that's an easy way to organize, is to categorize things in baskets. I'm thinking about getting some labels to put on them so I remember like what actually I put in them, since some of these shelves are a little bit taller and I always have to get like on a stepladder. So I'd love to get some little labels to put on these baskets eventually too. So moving on to the middle shelves, this one wasn't really much of a disaster zone. I had a few like loose pieces of paper that I needed to file away, and just kind of get it more streamlined, so that's what I'm doing here. So I wanted to keep the desk little space pretty clear so I have enough room to work. So a lot of my decor and pieces that I don't use like all the time are up in these shelves above me. Mainly the stuff that I use a lot I keep on that lower shelf, like all my files, little notepads, my planner, and thank you notes. And then everything else I kind of just put up on higher shelves. Over here on the left corner cabinet, I have some random like cookie cutters, it looks like. I can't remember. I think Chris bought these. And then some extra files, old photos I keep in the little boxes, letters for my letter boards, and then also I think my camera equipment is in this cabinet as well. So I'm just kind of shuffling around to make sure it's very tidy and clean, and that I can see, you know, what all is up here. And for cleaning today, I'm just using an all-purpose spray from Mrs. Meyer's. I think this is in the Mum scent. So the Mum and the Peony are my two favorites for cleaning, especially when it's like surfaces like this. Now I'm just filing away all these random pieces of paper that I like to collect. We usually just throw them in this little bin here, and then I'm just going through filing away what I need to file away. And then I feel like baskets are an easy way to put all like your folders in. That way they're all nicely corralled in one area. Eventually I need to hang up these two mirrors, but I'm kind of waiting because I think I'm going to paint this area, wherever you see like the yellow paint, I think I'm going to do it like a lighter gray. I haven't decided yet, so I didn't want to hang anything just in case we want to paint something. So here is the overview. The first shelves are all of my coffee supplies. And again, I'm going to put some tags on those baskets so I know exactly what's in them. Down below I have more coffee. I'm like a coffee nut. So I have my K-cups up here, spoons, and then any to-go cups and straws. The second shelf is going to be all of my teas. I decided to put them in this Coca-Cola crate because I thought that was like the perfect size to house all of your little tea bags. And then the third shelf is our charging station. So iPads, phones, anything you need to charge can go on there. Fourth shelf is going to be routers and cameras that we need to hook up still. And then down below is my laptop with its carrying case, and then my printer with some old CD-ROMs. And this is what I like to call my cute cabinet. So it's got some decor. It's got like my favorite pictures, some files up above all my planners that I've used over the years. I like to keep those, cookbooks, notepads, more planners, my files that I use on a daily basis, and then some thank you notes. And then I didn't show you this drawer because actually it was already organized. I haven't really touched it from when I first originally put the stuff in here. So it's just kind of like a little utility / office drawer. So pens, paper, business cards, thank you notes, mailers, that sort of thing. Up top I have my camera equipment, letterboard letters, some photo albums, neatly put in like little boxes. I love those photo boxes for that kind of stuff. And then down below I kind of keep our step ladder, my tripod, work bags, and extra files too. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for flying by, and you catch more details over my blog at robynssouthernnest.com. Bye guys.